Drum brakes are common on the rear wheels of many vehicles and are known for their durability. However, over time, they can become stuck due to rust, corrosion, or worn brake components. Here's a step-by-step process using basic tools to help you remove a stuck drum brake. Before starting any work on your vehicle, it's essential to ensure your safety. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface to prevent any movement while you're working. Before lifting the vehicle, use a lug wrench to slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel covering the stuck drum. Do not remove them completely at this stage, just break them loose while the tire is still in contact with the ground. This prevents the wheel from spinning while you apply torque and makes it easier to remove the nuts once the vehicle is raised. Once the lug nuts are loosened, use a jack to lift the vehicle off the ground. After lifting, always place jack stands underneath the vehicle for added safety and stability. Once the vehicle is securely supported, finish removing the loosened lug nuts and take off the wheel to expose the drum brake assembly. With the wheel removed, inspect the face of the brake drum for any retaining screws or clips that may be securing it to the hub. These small fasteners are often used by manufacturers to hold the drum in place during assembly and can prevent the drum from coming off easily. If present, use a screwdriver or a pair of pliers to carefully remove them. If the drum appears stuck, rust or corrosion is likely the cause. To help break the bond, spray a generous amount of penetrating oil, such as WD-40, around the hub where the drum meets the axle, as well as inside the center bore. This will allow the oil to seep into any rusted or seized areas. After allowing the penetrating oil to work, use a rubber mallet to gently tap around the outer edge of the drum. This helps break the rust and corrosion that may be holding it in place. If you don't have a rubber mallet, you can use a regular hammer with a block of wood to avoid damaging the drum. If the drum remains stuck, you may need to use a drum puller tool. This specialized tool applies even, controlled force to the drum without risking damage to the brake components or the drum itself. Attach the puller according to the manufacturer's instructions, and gradually tighten it to pull the drum free from the hub. Using a drum puller is especially helpful when rust or corrosion has caused the drum to seize tightly. By following these steps, you can safely and effectively remove a stuck drum brake using basic tools and careful techniques.